Hi there, Sonia here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a balloon doll that's inspired by how I look right now. I'm going to do the makeup for this balloon doll to take her from this to something that looks a bit like this. Are you excited? Let's get to it. Our aim is going to be to recreate something that looks a bit like this. Let's go. Starting with the Posca paint marker, I'd like to lay out the white first. So this gives an opportunity for it to dry. We have a slight curve to the top and more deeper curve at the bottom. Going in now with my black marker. This could be a Sharpie, but this happens to be my favorite to use. Oops, be careful of the white. The aim of the shape is to get it a little bit like an egg, more pointed at the top and rounded at the bottom. Before we go ahead to add in the eyelashes, we're just going to bring in a colour, a beautiful neon shade here. It's going to give us a lot of colour. So we're just going to go on top and trying to avoid touching that black as much as possible. Whoops. Inevitably it can happen. Bring in a nice blue for underneath. Come back in and add some eyelashes. Typically I like to make sure I've got at least 3 on each side. Let's come in now and create the eyebrows. It's nice to use the flat part of the Sharpie and moving more into the point as you do the outer part of the eyebrow. Let's give her some rosy cheeks. Just slightly off center to the eye. Let's add the lips in. And I like to start by giving it a little point and beginning beyond the shape of the lip to the other side and then down underneath. I typically like to make sure that the lip is a bit thicker toward the center. Goodness, the center just fell out of my paint marker. So this is a paint marker I bought yesterday. I've never actually used this before. Let's see how well it goes. It's like a paintbrush. Very interesting. Not exactly what I'm looking for though. I guess we're just gonna have to see how we go for the rest. Actually very good for getting into those fine areas, which is actually why I bought it to try in the first place. So what I tend to need to do is go back over the design in any areas of black that have been covered too much in the white. Oops. Rather like just right there. So we'll come back to that. You want to make sure the black is dry before you come in to do this. Just doing a V shape with the marker. It's much better with the other style of Posca paint marker with the bullets. Remembering it is absolutely fine to do multiple layers over the white. In fact, it can help it look much nicer. Just try and make sure it's dry between layers if you can. If you feel any corrections are required, coming in with that black marker. Other design actually also, he just had a little bit of the black coming down on the opposite side. You can add more eyelashes if you like. Sometimes I think less is more. There's the finished look. If you want a tutorial on how to do the balloon hair, let me know because I'll be glad to do that for you. But as always, thank you for helping me to put a positive twist in your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.